Hello creators, happy August. It is August challenge time. For this month's challenge, you are going to be creating your signature live workshop. This is a workshop that you're going to be doing where you're going to be teaching the starting point, the entry point, the beginning of the journey that people will be coming into to begin the path of working with you. So this is meant to be a signature workshop that you can teach again and again, that really introduces people to your core teachings, your core philosophies, the things that you believe in, your story of how you got to believe the things you believe, and why you are the person in front of everybody, guiding them on this transformational journey. So obviously, a part of the process of creating your workshop is for you to do some deep reflection of what is this starting point for people to come into your work and to really get to know you and what you believe in and what you stand for and what makes the way that you're teaching what you teach unique from other people teaching something similar. So obviously this is going to be a really fun and creative month. We're all very excited to support you every step of the way. Obviously, you're going to have to create a landing page. You're going to possibly create a slide presentation, perhaps some PDFs. Make this engaging. Focus on results, not just a talk, but an experience that leads people through some form of transformation, some form of epiphany, something that inspires them to want to continue the journey with you. And this is going to be a presentation that you don't just do once. Don't worry about getting it perfect. It's about getting it done before the 30 days are up and teaching it so that you can teach it again next month and the month after that. And after a year of teaching this workshop, you will be amazing at it. So that's the goal. That's where we're starting off here. Have fun, read this entire page, and let us know what your signature workshop that you're going to create this month is, should you accept this challenge.